Welcome to 1612 Highway 38 in beautiful Red River, New Mexico. This fantastic mountain home offers the perfect balance of indoor comfort and outdoor adventure. Listed at $725,000. Originally built in 1995, the home has been thoughtfully expanded with a spacious living room, a guest bedroom, and 1.5 additional bathrooms. The original structure has also been partially renovated, blending rustic character with tasteful modern updates, all new appliances, and stylish decor throughout. A cozy ladder-accessible loft with a queen bed adds extra sleeping space, a fun and functional addition for guests or kids. The property sits on just over an acre with scenic views and nearby hiking access for those who love the outdoors. The roof was replaced in 2022, and the private well has a brand new pump for added peace of mind. MLS number 13198. Call us today at Calhoun Real Estate for more details.